Hi, this is John here from GPS Training. What we're going to do in this short video is look at the Garmin Oregon 700. This is not a review of the GPS unit. If you're looking for a review, please just click on the video tab above and that gives you a more in-depth view. This is more of an overview of what you get in the box, and again some about the sales and support that you get from ourselves post-sale from ourselves here at GPS Training. So, Garmin Oregon 700, really nice multi-activity GPS unit. It's actually a touchscreen GPS unit. So, if you're using it for cycling and walking and geocaching, really nice GPS unit for that. Again, really nice clean feel to it, so it also looks very good on a bicycle, doesn't it? Runs off AA batteries, so 2 AA batteries will just sit in the back of that GPS unit. Again, it will use a set of batteries every day, so get yourself some good quality rechargeable batteries. Look at the accessories in our store and we can recommend some batteries for you for that. So really nice touchscreen GPS unit, one of the best selling GPS units from Garmin. So what else do you get in the box with? You get a carabiner clip. So again, you can attach that onto the back, and then you can put it onto your rucksack or onto your belt. And then you also get a USB cable. So USB cable just goes in this little slot in the back, just under there, and then you can plug this into your PC or your Mac. Why you do that is then you can plan routes on your computer. So it works alongside a program called Garmin Basecamp, which is Garmin's route planning software. Instructions you get with ourselves from Garmin Basecamp, where you download Garmin Basecamp from, how you set it all up, and how you can plan your walks and cycle routes in Garmin Basecamp. Again, you get that included in with that from ourselves here at GPS Training. Please let us know when you go through checkout whether you're a PC or a Mac user, and then we can put the relevant information in for you. What else do you get? You also get Garmin's Quick Start Guide, which is at the top, which is not very comprehensive because it is a worldwide product. So we also put our own Quick Start Guide in there. So this is our sales Quick Start Guide for the Oregon 700. It tells you how we've how it's all set up for you and how you can utilize that GPS unit. Also on the front there you'll see what we call your GPST reference number. So again, you get 1 year's what we call our goal support package from ourselves here at GPS Training. So if you do get in touch with us, just quote that reference number and we know who you are and what products you've bought from ourselves. So don't forget, a goal support package, you get telephone support, email support, you get access to our online training course, which is our online resource, and that has step-by-step videos of both how to get to grips with that GPS unit and also how to plan routes on Garmin Basecamp. The other thing we do for you is we set that GPS unit up for you. So we've gone through there, set all the different profiles up. It actually takes about 20 minutes to do that. So if you don't know how to do it, I don't know how anybody could actually possibly do it, but we go through that. So when it arrives, all you need to do is pop in those AA batteries and you're ready to go. Next thing we need to think about is what ordnance survey mapping you want with this GPS unit. You'll see in the picture above to the right hand side there's a drop down menu. First one is GPS unit only. If you've got a map card from a previous Garmin GPS unit, you can just pop this in the back of this unit and you're ready to go. Alternatively, if you've not got a Garmin map card, there is a further 3 options below. First one is a Bird's Eye Plus voucher. Bird's Eye Plus voucher looks like this. This is enabled to download 25,000 square kilometres of 1 to 25,000 mapping. 1 to 25,000 mapping is the equivalent of what we have on the Explorer map. So 25,000 square kilometres is the size of Wales and the Lake District put together. So it doesn't all have to be in one block, it can be in different areas around the country. And what you do, you physically draw around the areas of 125,000 mapping you do, and then you download those on it. You activate that credit against your GPS, against your Garmin account, and then you've got 1 year to download that 25,000 square kilometres. If it all sounds a bit confusing, don't worry. As with everything from GPS Training, we give you a quick start guide that takes you through how to activate that credit against your account, or the voucher rather, and then how to download that mapping accordingly. Plus, don't forget you've got your goal support package, so if there's any questions, just get in touch when you've bought your GPS unit from ourselves and we can help you through that process. So that was option number 2. Option number 1 was GPS unit only. Option number 2 is the Bird's Eye Plus voucher. The other 2 options are full GB map cards. This is 1 to 50,000 mapping. So this is the equivalent of the land range map, the pink land range map. 1 to 50,000 map card. Now the key thing here is Topo Great Britain Pro, which means it has routable data within national parks. That means that when you're within a national park, you can click ahead of yourself and it routes you via the footpaths to get to that location. What we've actually done when we've set this GPS unit up for you, we've actually set up a hike profile and a hike NP profile. That's something that we've done specially for you. So again, when you're in the national park, you use the hike NP profile and you get this turn by turn routing as you route you via the footpath. And then the final mapping option is the full GB 1 to 25k. So this is again back to the equivalent of the Explorer map. What extra information do we get on 125,000? We get field boundaries, we get open access areas, and we also get permissive paths as well. So again, it's slightly more expensive for that. Again, when you use the drop down menu at the top right hand side of that page, you'll see the price will change when you select each of those different map sets. So it is significantly more expensive. If you can afford it, it's worth going for. Alternatively, the 1 to 50,000 mapping will be great for you when you're out in the countryside. So your 4 mapping options are GPS units only, the Bird's Eye Plus voucher, enabling you to download 25,000 square kilometres of 1 to 25,000 mapping. You have the 1 to 50,000 map card or the 1 to 25,000 map cards. I very much hope this overview has worked, helped you in some way for the Garmin Oregon 700. Really nice multi-activity GPS unit. If you've got any other questions, just click on the FAQs tab above and hopefully we'll answer them within there, the frequently asked questions. Alternatively, drop us an email or give us a telephone call and we can help you through that. And don't forget, when you buy a GPS unit from GPS Training, you get this gold support package, which is email support, telephone support, access to the online training support. We set the unit up for you. We're just a telephone call away and we can help you to get to grips with your new Garmin GPS unit. Again, if there's any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.